In this video, I'll detail how to fix not receiving notifications on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch like this, and you are not receiving your iPhone notifications on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily link your Apple Watch with your iPhone once you pair them, and then start receiving the notifications on your device. So if you're done with this video, you found this relevant and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix not receiving notifications on Apple Watch on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the Watch app on your iPhone. Then once you open that, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to Sound and Haptics, and then click on that. Then here, first you need to make sure silent mode is not enabled. If silent mode is enabled, you should not be able to receive your iPhone notifications on your iWatch or Apple Watch. Then disable this. Then come to Haptics. Make sure Haptics is not turned off. Is that so you can hear the sound on the Apple Watch. So make sure Haptics is not turned off. Then scroll down. Customize the ringtone, text tone, new mail, calendar tone, reminder, and default tones for your Apple Watch. So choose your preferred ringtone you want to use on your Apple Watch. Now, once it's selected on your iPhone, it will reflect on the Apple Watch. Then text tone. Then come down and click on the new mail tone. Hit the back button. Then just customize other tones you want to receive on your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Now, once everything is set, come down here and customize ringtone and alert. Make sure this is not at the list. If it is, you'll not be able to receive the notifications loudly. You see that? But if the ringtone alert is at maximum, then so that is it. Hit the back button again. Now, once you're done with this, you can just drop your iPhone. Go ahead and pick up your Apple Watch. Type in your passcode. Then press the YouTube crown. Click on Settings. On Settings page, scroll down and click on Notifications. Then turn on Notifications Indicator to tell you you have notifications on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down. You may want to show notification summary when your Apple Watch screen is locked. Then want to scroll down. Now, to show the full details of notifications on your Apple Watch, by tapping it, just turn on Tap to show for notifications. Again, that is all you need to do. Now, once your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone, you should be able to start receiving your iPhone notifications on your Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily fix not receiving notifications on Apple Watch from iPhone or on iPhone. If you found this relevant and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.